Wait, did you know it's not a must to kuwa na electric oven ndio ubake keki poa? So today I'm going to show you how to use charcoal oven. So this is how the oven looks like. Over here we have the temperature, so you can easily monitor the heat while baking. On top it has a flat surface where you can actually work from or place your trays. The doors open smoothly and inside there is enough space for tins, trays. Yeah. Down below is where the charcoal goes. It's easy to load and clean. Apart from using charcoal, this oven can also run on electricity. So you start by lighting your charcoal stove, open your oven, add your charcoal in the oven. So this is how it should look like. You don't need a lot of charcoal, but that depends on the type of product you're baking. And you can easily regulate the temperature of this oven by opening and closing these small doors. Preheat your oven. Once it's ready, add your products, your unbaked products, and let them bake. So you can see the temperature works so well, and also the final products are well baked. So tag a friend who needs to see this and follow for more baking secrets every week. Thank you.